Hi mga friends, this is our second trip for this year. We're going to Davao City together with my wife. Pupunta tayo ng Davao for some vacation, right?
Is that personal punishment
So
or
ito na yun,
but primarily to maintain
ano na tayo,
constitutional government.
papunta na tayo ng plane.
The president is
So
called
ito,
to
nakapila
account.
tayo. So ayan, tanaw natin yung ulap. So ayan. So, sobrang clear ng mga cloud. So ayan, approaching na tayo into Davao City. Alright. So ayan. So ito na mga friends, kakalapag lang natin dito sa Davao Airport. So ito na. So ito na yung ano natin, waiting area for our luggage. Ayan. So here makikita natin na meron silang welcome sa Davao City. Ayan. Ayan. So yun lang mga friends for today. And more videos to come pa more. Alright, bye bye.